Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get your EIN number, Employer Identification Number, for your business, and it's totally free. So, let's start the video. First of all, open your browser and go to IRS website, irs.gov. Once you're landed to official website, here you'll see the option of Apply for an Employer Identification Number. Click on it. And here you'll see the option of Apply for an EIN. Click on it. Now, here are the information about the EIN Assistant and restrictions. Read them carefully and then click on Begin Application. After that, a form will appear. You have to fill that form very carefully with no mistake, and then you'll get your EIN number. So, that's how you can get Employer Identification Number. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe the channel for more videos.